Ayan. Good morning, everyone. Gandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Ayan. What time is it? It's 8:17 already. Alright, so PSEi yesterday edged up again and now we're closer to breaking out 8,000, which is the current resistance of the market right now. So around 8,000 po yung resistance natin. But then again, we were expecting this for last week pa nga na we'll do a breakout. So most probably we'll be doing a breakout today, hopefully, especially with the good news na si President Trump, he's gonna give a leeway, mag-extend pa muna before he will be giving out tariffs for China. So it eases out the trade war. So hopefully that makes the market recover. Plus the Fed cut rates sa international market, that's gonna be very good. Magka-cut rates na naman ng Fed. Meaning mas lesser on taxes for stocks, so that we're expecting stocks to boost up after that. So yeah, good vibes for the market all over the world. So yes, we're expecting PSEi to still go up. So welcome to the Daily Grind again. We're gonna have stock picks, and if you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any chart requests, please post it on the comments para madaanan po natin and we can do charts on it. Alright, I'll go to the comments to everyone, with everyone. Yung mga, we have around 54 viewers already. A little request po, paki-share a video. Please share the video to your trading groups and to your, what you call this, to your friends, to your walls, so that they will know, at least ma-curious sila about stock market and investing as a general, diba? Alright, let's go to the comments. Joel Ligares, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, good morning din, Joel. Chris Canilan, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Mike 16, good morning. Sir Lloyd and Laika, have a good day ahead po sa lahat ng mga ka-daily grind. Thank you, Mike 16. John Elver Roy, good morning po. Sir Lloyd, Hotsaki din. Kaloy, Idol, Apple, and Laika. Thank you, Travador. Good morning, Sir Lloyd and everyone. BPI, MY, please. BPI, ganda pa rin ng galaw eh. So, M-wide is, ang ganda ni M-wide eh. It's just that, nihintay ko talaga yung perfect entry kay M-wide. But overall, M-wide, I talked about this, M-wide is still very cheap as a company. So, pwede pa pong bilhin yan overall. Noel Minano, sir, ISM catalyst for military-backed China installations inquiry. Yes, definitely. That's a good catalyst for ISM. So, baka umakyat si ISM today. Let me just double check my audio. Ayan, audio is good. If you have any issues with the audio, just let me know. Rodrigo Carlos, good morning. Arfi 1976, good morning then. Jerson Kayabyab, Sir RLT po. Alright, so BPI, unahin natin si BPI. May request kanina for BPI. BPI, medyo nakalipad na si BPI. Dapat sa support tayo noon pumasok. Alright, so BPI, we are playing at resistance levels kay BPI. So it's gonna be challenging to recommend BPI. Hopefully BPI makes a pullback anytime soon and makes another higher low. That will be the best entry point for BPI, or a breakout at least kung gusto nyo talagang pumasok for BPI. Si M-wide, overall, M-wide is still very cheap. We're waiting for the next pullback for M-wide. This is the MA20 bounce that we're talking about. This is why I love this yellow line right here for trend following. That's a very good support to follow. And then there it is, umakit na si M-wide. Right now, we'll wait for M-wide to do another pullback and bounce before we wanna get in M-wide. Nag-breakout na yan. Ang ganda na ng... Actually, nag-breakout na to si M-wide. This is a good entry point. Actually, pwede nyo po itong pasukin. Right, sa M-wide. I usually do not like breakouts, pero this is still at the bottom. So, I'd say yes, this is okay still. Meron tayong confirmation kay M-wide. So yeah, M-wide is good. Good job, Trabador, for finding this. Rodrigo Carlos, good morning. Arfe, good. Oh, yan. Chuson, Kayabyab, si RLT naman ang request niya. Let's check out RLT. Ayan, medyo bagal ang charts mag-load but that's okay. RLT, so far, we're seeing lower highs pa rin kay RLT. So I don't want to recommend RLT yet. Though we have good price action right here. Hindi natin maklaro yung galaw ni RLT. So I can't really recommend that yet, as of yet. Yan. Long Rio Platil, good morning Sir Lloyd, JGS and DMC. DMC, ilang araw ko na nirecommend. Last week pa yan si DMC. And umaakit na si DMC ngayon. So congratulations. Dito nirecommend ko si DMC. Recommended it again here. And there it is. It's starting to climb already. So for those who are waiting for further confirmation, this is a good confirmation for you guys. I'd say, yeah, DMC, butekahin nyo na po yan. I've been recommending that for how many days already. Si GGS naman, 52 week high na naman si JGS. So this is good for JGS. I don't focus on stocks na nakalipad na. This is already too high for me. Momentum-wise, malayo-layo na siya sa Bollinger Bands niya. Meaning, nawawala na siya ng momentum. So, I don't want to recommend JGS. It's way up there. Hi, Coach. Good morning. This is from Salis. Good morning. Pakigreet po ako sa friend ko sa Singapore. Ayan, ng happy birthday, Roslyn Santa Romana. Right, Roslyn Santa Romana, happy birthday. This is from Sales and from the Daily Grind family. Jerson Kayabyab, good morning. Jovi Tanel, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights kay Fen. Abra, thanks. AB yun si Abra, di ba? Ano? Abra. Ano nga ba yung Abra Mining? Abacor. Hindi ko makuha si Abra. Ano si Abra? Fen. And si Fen naman, may magandang catalyst si Fen eh. So, yeah, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows for Fen. Recommended Fen here sa MA20. And then, there it is. Umakit naman siya. So, nga lang, nahihirapan kasi nasa taas na. Should you wanna enter Fen, siguro MA20 bounce lang. Let's see if mag-sustain pa rin yung MA20 niya. Once it stops the MA20, I don't wanna recommend that anymore. VUL, Sir Lloyd, baka mag-recover na si VUL anytime soon. May magandang development kay VUL eh. So, nag-doji pa siya. So, undecided ang market. But, yeah, baka mag-green yan anytime. So, pag nag-green yan, that would be a good entry point for VUL at least. Ang daming naipit dito, naghahabol kasi masyado excited. Again, do not enter these kinds of entries if ever hindi naman ganun kalakihan ang habulan. Right? Dati recommended for the third telco, kaso nga lang there were very many developments kay third telco, kaya parang mahirap na yun. But this one right here, maraming naipit eh. So VUL, I think mag-ano na ito. Pag nag-bounce to anytime soon, definitely that's a good time to try to catch it. Right, so pwede pa ba ngayon? This is from Salis. Coach Meg and Ali. Si Meg is in one of my recommendations ngayon. This is the bounce we're waiting for, Web. This is a pullback and bounce. Mas klarong bounce for Meg. I'd say yes, pwedeng bilhin si Meg ngayon. At least mas mura na siya. Si Ali naman, breakout strategy for Ali. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Ali. Look at that. MA20 bounce. This yellow line again was the perfect area where the price bounced for Ali. So, yeah, I'd say, yeah, Ali still okay. Use a breakout strategy. That's a very good price action for Ali. I recommended Ali dito sa baba, diba? And there it is. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Ali. Longrio Platil, habang tumatagal, mawawala pa ang pera ko sa copy trading eToro. Longrio Platil, it's risk following. There is risk involved in stocks kasi. So what I recommend from you guys when you copy trade, I always tell you this from the beginning. You always diversify. Kasi dito sa stock market, sa mga traders, copy people, there are people who trade stocks only, and right now, you know that trade wars are making markets uncertain. So yung mga nasa stock sa US, who focuses in them. Even silang sino ba to? Sila Warren Buffett. Negative ang mga positions nila. Right? Nagne-negative ang mga yan. Even last month, ang laki na negative ni Warren Buffett because of the uncertainty of the stock market. Okay? So, it's really hard for the stock market right now. Ang pinakamagandang pasukin po ninyo na ipang-copy trade ninyo are those when it comes to uncertainties. I recommend etong mga nagpo-forex, sila tawag nito Olivier Danville, right? So Olivier Danville, this guy is trading forex and commodities. I look at his portfolio right now, is into NZD CAD. So always diversify to these kinds of people kasi iba-iba po ang strategies when it comes to trading. Hindi lang po sa stocks kasi available on trading. So when stocks are at very hard right now, these people tend to shine. Yeah, Olivier Danvel umakyat. He is doing well because he is trading forex, right? So try to diversify from this guy. With this guy, Nelson. No. Nestor. Is that Nestor? Nestor Armstrong. Yeah, Nestor Armstrong. This guy is also good. You can try to diversify with this guy. All of his performances are good in this year. September niya medyo negative, but it's still in the middle of the month, so he can still recover that. So right now he's positioned into his position is into stocks, right? So check out this guy also. He's also good. So always diversify. It's not about eToro. It's about the people you copy and your strategy, right? Please diversify to with other traders so that you do not absorb only one risk of a player. Okay? Paul Mark Celeste, hi sir, good morning. Pasilip naman po ng X, Tech, and GFC. Thanks, more power. This is from Paul Mark Celeste. X. And si X naman, sobrang lakas ng galaw kahapon because in the middle of the day, may lumabas na news, right? Exchange query, disposes losing subsidiaries, binenta nila kay Ayala Land. So that's money for X. Kaya lumipad si X yesterday. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay X. We've been talking about X past few days. I cannot recommend it now. Sobrang taas na. Wait for the pullback and bounce at the very least kung gusto nyo pong pumasok kay X. So congratulations sa mga nanalo kay X. Tech is in one of my recommendations for today. JFC is not, but ang recommendation ko kay Jollibee, it's showing us good stabilization right now. So I'd say buy Jollibee now, and then if it goes further down, you just keep buying more. Ganun lang. Kasi hindi natin alam if aakyat na to. Kung hindi kayo makabili ngayon, baka umakyat yan at hindi na kayo makabili ng mura sa presyo ngayon. So just buy some now. Angelo Brasa, good morning Sir Lloyd. ISM now, VUL and GFC po. ISM. Okay, si ISM, I'd say I'm still recommending ISM for today with the catalyst. Overall, I still consider ISM as cheap. With the potential growth of ISM and Udena as the third telco, yeah, I'd say it's still very good. We received si Barber Trades nag super chat. Thank you so much. Alright, so I forgot about super chat. Yes, there's a way to support the channel with super chat. You can donate to the channel if you want to, if you like their contents and want to support the channel para mag-continue ito. You can use the super chat and yung parang dollar sign nandyan sa chat room natin. So thank you so much, Barber Trade. Shout out sa mga kaibigan natin sa Italy. Yan. Alam ko bakit nagbibigay to ng si Barber Trade sa akin ngayon. Si Barber Trades ng super chat tawag nito, nagbalato ito because he's a friend of mine. Alright, this is his profile. He posted earlier today. He's creating eToro. I want you to check out his YouTube channel also, guys. His YouTube channel is Barber Trades, yung nagbigay sa akin. Alright, he is already trading today. I mean, he's already day trading in eToro. So congratulations. Yeah, he's doing well. This trade right here, kanina umaga sa kanya, ang daming panalo, isa lang ang talo niya. So congratulations, Barber Trades. You can follow his YouTube channel. So he's also making a YouTube channel, especially guiding newbies in eToro. So nambalato si June. Thank you so much, June, for the for the super chat. Alam ko ang laki na ng gains ni June, nagde-day trade na siya. Speaking of day trading, right? In a while, at today 11 in the morning, right? 11 o'clock in the morning, meron po tayong live. Okay, magla-live po tayo. This is gonna be done by Mr. Jed Villardo. He is the day trader of the team eToro Pilipinas, our separate group for eToro. And we are teaching their day trading for free. And we noticed na konti lang ang tao doon kaya hindi gaanong marami ang nakikinabang. Isa sa mga nakinabang sa day trading was June. I just showed you earlier. He's already earning. Mr. Jed Villardo is our coach in day trading. And he's gonna do a live in the Billionaires Club today. I hope you're already a member of the Billionaires Club and the Team eToro Pilipinas. If not yet, join the Billionaires Club. Also, Team eToro Pilipinas. This group right here. So enter that. We're gonna do a live seminar, right? Webinar po yan. 11 o'clock. It's gonna start with, set your expectation. It's gonna start with technical analysis. Anong technical analysis ang ginagamit niya? How is he set up? How does he set up before starting the day trade? Kasi maraming charting yan. So he's gonna show you what charts he's looking at. What are the technical analysis involved? And how does he execute? If he sees what are the buy signals that he's looking for, how he executes. And just go to the Billionaires Club again. 11 po yan. And then, how does he execute it in eToro? Mr. Jed Villardo trades, does day trade in eToro. Ang ginagawa po nila is they mine gold, meaning gold po ang tinitira nila lagi. Right now, most probably gold is gonna be bullish, so it's gonna be a good day to day trade gold. So, he's gonna show you that later on. So, he's gonna do the trading in eToro. So, if ever wala pa kayong eToro, baka hindi kayo makarelate. Okay, so I strongly recommend you create an eToro account today before 11 o'clock. Okay, gawa po kayo ng eToro account. A little request from my end. Use my link. Andyan po yung link sa video description. I'll also post it on the comments really quick. I-click nyo lang po yan para mag-open po siya ng bagong window. Hindi naman mapuputol ang live ninyo. So, just click this link right here para hindi na po mawala. So, once you have created an account, magkakaroon po kayo ng virtual account dyan, right? Just go to this portion of your eToro dashboard. This is your eToro dashboard. So once you log in eToro, ito po yung makikita nyo. So just click on this one right here, reel. Click on virtual portfolio. So it's gonna bring you to your virtual portfolio, and you're gonna have money inside your virtual portfolio. Okay? So right now I have available of 89,000 plus. Right, 89,000 plus, and then because it's here, you can practice trading already. You can look for gold, and then ma-execute nyo po. He's gonna show you how he executes, how he executes the trade in gold para makita nyo rin po paano. So, and then you can practice para ma-practice nyo po yung tinuturo niya. Hindi po kayo ma-out of place. Hindi kayo mag-nosebleed. So while it's early, try to familiarize the platform because we're gonna do the trading here. So hopefully manalo tayo today. But day trading, wala pong guarantees dyan. As a newbie, ang ganito po ang ginagawa sa day trading. So you allot a budget for the day, every day. Usually po ang alam ko sa mga forex is they allot $20 each day. So $20 today, $20 bukas, yung $20 na today, the trade nila. Pag natalo yung $20 na yan, they're done for the day. Bukas naman ulit another $20, then that's what they grow. Pag nanalo sila, ang laki naman ng panalo, so sobrang bawi naman yung talo nila on some day. So hopefully manalo tayo today, okay? But then again, it's a free seminar. It's gonna be at 11 in the morning. It will start at 11 in the morning here at the Billionaires Club. So abangan nyo po yan. Sayang po yung opportunity to learn. It's gonna be recorded para sa mga hindi makapanood. So that's okay. Pwede po kayong humabol. Okay, let's go back. Air Plata, sir, good morning. Greetings from Canada. Sir, thank you marami sa insights mo. Sobrang happy sa first trade ko ng ayan, ano nga ba yung binili natin? GWPH yun. At J&J gaining na po. Congratulations. Ang lakas na ng gain ni GWPH. Congratulations. Tommy Montano Escobedo. Good morning, coach and all viewers. Tech po, ALLHC and Meg. Yung tatlong yan, nasa recommendations ko today. So, good picks, Tommy. Dadaanan natin yan mamaya. Dishong, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Green, pasili po sana. Thank you and God bless. Let's check out Green. Yun, si Green. Breakout strategy for Green. This is a breakout right here. So, best if you can enter at this support. Right? Parang magpo-pullback si Green. Let's see if it will go near support. As much as possible, pasukin niyo po malapit sa support niya. So, that will be our entry point. Bekatangan, morning Sir Lloyd. God bless. Meron po kayong tutorial on how to set up the charts in Instagrams. Meron ba akong how to set up chart in Instagrams na video? Parang wala eh. So, yeah, I'll try to consider creating one soon. Okay? Thank you so much for that recommendation, Becca. Mark JP Gonzalez. Hi sir, sorry na nabibisi ako. Day job ngayon lang ulit na comment. Silipin natin ang maxes. Okay po ba ang TP hits sa 16? Si Maxis, ang ganda ng galaw eh. Nagbe-breakout si Maxis eh. Let's see if unang breakout ni Maxis is here. A problem is, we have a secondary resistance right here. So, medyo challenging. We have strong resistances kay Maxis. So, best strategy kay Maxis is really a pullback and bounce. Ang ganda sana ng support ni Maxis. Oh, that was the best entry point. Right now, hindi po natin alam sa anong mangyayari kay Maxis. Sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, pullback and bounce is the best strategy for Maxis. Sa mga nakapasok sa support, 16 will be the best. For target profit, yes. Good execution, good plan, Mark JP. So, congratulations dyan. Pero pag nahirapan yan sa 15, you already take half, okay? STV Trader, good morning sir. ISM, IRC, and ATN. ISM, just buy it. I think it's gonna go up today with the catalyst. I can't say. I cannot recommend it because of the technical analysis. Medyo nasa taas siya ngayon. But catalyst-wise, I think ISM is gonna go up. Maganda po talaga dito is just go for long term. If hindi pa kayo nakabili, bilhin nyo na po ngayon. IRC naman, si IRC yesterday, green na naman. Most probably this is the pullback we're waiting for IRC. I'd say yeah, pwede na to si IRC. Medyo high risk siya ngayon, kaya hindi ko na-recommend. But I recommended IRC on this green, so that was the best entry point. This is the next best entry point available for IRC. At the very least, nag-pullback and bounce siya. So use this area as your support for IRC if you wanna get in. ATN, si ATN, mukhang babalik sa support si ATN eh. Okay? Abangan natin, parang mag-dip pa si ATN. So, we'll see. Right now, I cannot say it's a buy. Sir, hinga ko ng konting guide kasi pareho tayo ng style medium to long term. Kaso, di ko po masyado marunong mag-set ng TPS stop loss. Di ko alam paano sa set sa DGWPH and J&J, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you always. Sige. Let's go for this one right here. Nasa portfolio naman tayo. Diba? For example, let's buy, sino bang open ngayon? Si gold. Ngayon, open si gold market ngayon. So, trade natin si gold. If you wanna trade it, if you wanna enter, pwedeng order or trade. So, trade, diretso yan papasok. Let's just use times 1 leverage para hindi maubos yung virtual port ko. Then, open trade. Etong take profits is what you are looking for. This is for Air Plata. So, take profits, you look for a resistance. Let's say for gold, hindi na natin tignan yung chart. Kung ano mahanap mo na resistance, doon mo ilalagay. So, just click here. Instead of dollars yan, wag ganyan. I-take profits mo, click on take profits, and then go click the amount. Wag amount kasi naka-amount yan. Ilagay mo sa rate. So, pag na-hit niya yung resistance, presyo ng resistance ang ilalagay mo. Click natin yung rate. So, right now, ang rate ni gold is around 1,500, I believe. So, pwede natin, kung ma-hit ni gold yung 2,000 na price, then it will automatically get out of the position. So, pwede pong ganun ang target profits natin. So, look for the level, look for the resistance, and then kung ano yung resistance, ano yung presyo ng resistance, yun ilalagay natin dito. Okay? So, that's the take profits kung gusto mong ganun. Pwedeng ganun. And then, pwede ring no take profits para hindi siya mag-take profits. Okay? Ayan yung para sa long term. Sa stop loss din naman sa mga gusto mag-medium to long term, lagyan nyo lang po ng no stop loss. Okay? So, ganun lang. That's for Air Plata. Rob, Legaspi, Sir Lloyd, Ali po, Insights, Ali. Alright, we're gonna start the discussion at 8:45. Ayan, si Ali. Breakout strategy for Ali. Congratulations sa mga nakapasok na. Air Plata, sir, pa-check naman po si ACB, Aurora, based sa earnings. If okay siya for long term, sir. Sa international market to eh. Hindi lumalabas sa very bullish. We talked about this. Andyan yung pullback and bounce niya kagad eh. Ganda ng ni Aurora Cannabis last report niya sa earnings niya, 184%. Actually, I recommended this before kung okay lang sa inyo. Cannabis funds. Itong cannabis funds. Right, cannabis care. Ito yung medical marijuana this is the medical marijuana na fund. If you are
If you believe in this, then you can definitely check it out. Makita nyo po dyan yung mga companies na nasa loob ng cannabis care. So far, so good. 27% for this year ang climb niya. It's just that this is subject for your morals. Meron kasi iba na ayaw. But this is one of the funds I am looking at kasi cannabis as a medical, for medical use is growing. So you can check out this fund if you're into it. Speaking of cannabis, Air Plata, yes, ang ganda yung ACB na earnings sa last na report niya. Ali, breakout strategy. Becca Tangan, good morning, sir. Any thoughts for ALLHC? ALLHC, recommended ko yan today. ISM, because of the news, tingnan nyo po. DNL, ano nyo lang, DNL, bodegahin nyo lang. Si ABS, medyo dinidelay yung franchise niya eh. So, contingent mo na kay ABS. Pag may nakita tayong green, maybe we can test it out. Recommended ABS dito. So, dito ba yun? Or, I forgot where. Hit dito. Yeah, when I came back. Na-recommend ko si ABS. Yun. We are at MA20. We're playing at MA20. I think ABS-CBN is gonna have its, I think the government is just teaching them a lesson. Kaya dinidelay siya. But I think makukuha naman nila yung franchise. If you think the franchise is gonna be renewed, and I'd say bodegahin nyo sa ABS-CBN kasi overall ABS-CBN is still very cheap, right? Very undervalued right now. For trading, short-term traders, medyo shaky si ABS, so I can't recommend it. But if ever mag-green yan today, yeah, test it out. Test the MA20 out. Good morning, sir. PXP. Si PXP masyadong mataas ang galaw kahapon. Just wait for the pullback and the bounce. Ang ganda sana na support ni PXP. Wait for the pullback and bounce lang kasi wala tayong position dyan. It might go up today, right? It might go up today, but the setup is not for position trades. So it's against my setup. That's why I'm not recommending it. If you know what you're doing and if it goes momentum high again today, you can definitely test it out. But I don't want to recommend it. If you don't know what you're doing, wag na lang po. Alan Tige, good morning, sir. PXP po. Ayan, kaka-cover lang natin. Gandang umaga, Sir Lloyd, from Mark Adriano. Good morning, Apo and NRCP. Sir, sa NRCP na-recommend ko kahapon, lumipad naman. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay NRCP. We did recommend that yesterday. Sabi ko sa inyo, I really like this setup right here. Pag ganitong curved na price action, I really, really like that. That's why I've been recommending that. Ito yung recommendation natin kay PIP dati. So, NRCP, nakalipad na po. Wait na lang tayo for pullback for NRCP. Kahapon sana was the best entry point for NRCP. Apple still holding on to MA20. If you wanna enter Apple, use MA20 as your support. Definitely, looking good naman si Apple. Ang ganda na second quarter earnings. First half medyo shaky, but overall, this invited investors kay Apple. And then there it is. Use MA20 lang. Most probably still awake pa yung trend niya. Sobrang lakas lang ng galaw na ito lately. Kaya natatagalan siyang mag-recover ng momentum niya. Sir Aba po, weakening or strengthening po ba? Prices keep holding at 90 to 93. Si Aba, volume-wise, mukhang weakening siya eh, right? But we can't say for sure because it attempted a breakout yesterday. That's a good signal. Mahina lang yung volume niya kasi we are playing at resistance already. Look at this when it was playing at the support. Maganda yung volume niya. So we'll see if ever we can see a breakout, confirmed breakout for ABA. I think it's gonna do a breakout today. Pag nag-confirmed breakout yan, that's a good entry point. John Vincent Pleto, BPI po, salamat. Si BPI, medyo mataas na si BPI. We're seeing resistance at this level. Tingnan nyo, humihina yung akyat niya. So, let's wait for the pullback and bounce nilang ni BPI. Okay, so it's 8:46. We'll go to my recommendations really quick. Okay, but before that, I want to invite you guys. Nakapag-upload na po ako ng registration yesterday. It's in our Facebook page. Let me pull up my Facebook page. And nasa announcement din po ito. Tanggalin ko na ito. See all. Tanggalin ko na ito from announcement para yung registration ang lalabas. So here, in the Billionaires Club, bakit lumabas yung mukha ko? In the Billionaires Club, andyan po sa announcement, registration link for the seminar in Manila. This is gonna be on September 29. Halos libre na po yan. right? Halos libre na po. Just 500 pesos. Para na lang po yan sa snacks natin, tsaka sa venue. Right? Ambag-ambag na lang po tayo. And also, this is sponsored by eToro. And alam nyo po yan, kung mag-sponsor po sa eToro, merong mga promotion yan. All of my seminars under eToro before had a promotion. So, if that 500 peso is gonna be rewarded, right? If mag-join kayo ng seminar natin. So, I invite you to join the seminar. 500 pesos really is just for commitment purposes. Kasi sayang yung seats. Ang daming nare-register. Kung libre kasi tas walang bayad, nagre-register. Since there's no commitment on their side, it's okay na mawala. Hindi sila magpunta. Masakit kaya paasahin. Diba? Naghugot ba? But yeah, that's just for commitment purposes. And I tell you guys, mababalik po sa inyo yan. With the learnings that you are gonna be getting, it's gonna be prices plus eToro's promotion. Hindi ko po sasabihin kung ano, pero usually alam nyo na po yan. So, that 500 is gonna be sulit. So, join the seminar. Register na po kayo. Okay? And share the event to your friends. It's gonna be very cheap, very affordable, and I tell you, it's gonna be very educational for you. So, share this. It's here in the Billionaires Club, and it's also posted on Financial Freedom 101. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-register, there's a link there so you can register using that link or just click this event para dumiretso po kayo sa registration. Ayaw maklik. I don't know why, but yeah, that's the registration link. You know what to do. Okay, so baka hindi maklik kasi may arrow sa simula niya. Let me edit it and hopefully this changes the... Ayun, pwede na mapindot. Yun lang, space lang ang kailangan. So yeah, just click on that link there and you should be able to register. Okay, so now we're gonna go to my recommendations for today. I have a few for today. Nag-stop tayo kay John Vincent Leto for the comments. But here are my recommendations for today. Pili lang po kayo. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 for today. But these are very good positions, very low risk positions. I'm gonna go full screen para mas malaki. Number 1 is GSMI. One of my favorites for today. Nag-breakout na po sa GSMI. That's a good price action. That's a good confirmation for GSMI. I'll be recommending it's a buy already for GSMI. Next is AGI. I've been waiting for the confirmation of AGI. And there it is. Binigyan po tayo ng confirmation yesterday. This is all divergence right here. Support bounces right there. And the support has a divergence still. So, yeah, so many buy signals already for AGI. So, yeah, I'm recommending AGI today. Next is Tugo. Si Tugo, I think tapos na ang consolidation niya. We have higher highs and higher lows for Tugo, and we have a good bounce for Tugo already. So yes, I'd say Tugo accumulation period is happening already. Si Tech naman, I'm recommending Tech for today. One of my favorites for today. Pullback and bounce for Tech, and we are playing at MA20. So use this area as your support for Tech. So we were waiting for a pullback. There it is, and then there's the bounce for Tech. Time to catch it. Meralco, we are at the support area, and that's a triple bottom formation for Meralco. I'd say that's a buy already. Pwede nyo po testingin si Meralco already. Nag-break na po siya sa MA20, so that's a good sign for Mer. Right? Pwede na si Mer. ALLHC, yan, may nagtatanong kanina for ALLHC. We have divergence right here, so that's okay already. That's the confirmation of the support we were looking for, and we have good volume spike on that bounce. I'd say yes, ALLHC is already good to go. Pwede nyo na pong bilhin yan. Then si Web naman, nag-antay tayo ng pullback and bounce kay Web. There's a confirmation of the bounce of Web. Dalawa na ang bounce niya. So I'd say yes, Web is good to go. And then lastly, si Meg po. Meg pullback and bounce is already there. So it's time to buy Meg. So those are my picks for today. Pili lang po kayo. If you wanna ask me ano paborito ko dito, GSMI, Tech, and ALLHC, and Web. Yung apat po na yan. So kayo na po bahala. If you wanna diversify on those four, you can if you want to. Isa kanina, may tanong dito si Lan Feliciano, Shell PH and PCOR, tataas na ba sila? I recommended SHLPH while back. right here, and then umakyat si Shell PH. And look at the volume. It's accumulation already. So, congratulations kung pumasok kay Shell when I recommended it. PCOR, same formation na nakikita natin sa PCOR. Somehow, it's starting to go up already. It broke MA20 already. So, that's a good sign for PCOR. I think PCOR is gonna start a trend since it's very cheap already. Imagine that PCOR from 12 pesos naging 5 pesos, mala CHP rin ito. So somehow it's starting to start a climb. I cannot put it in my recommendations. Why? Because it's against my my basics again, because of these earnings ni PCOR is pababa ng pababa. But you cannot deny the technical analysis. I talked about this before. There's divergence here and this support. So we looked at that. Sabi ko lang sa inyo, it's against my rule. But umaakyat siya since that happened. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok, nag-follow ng technical analysis. Right now, if I can recommend it, delikado eh. I cannot say. I cannot say. I'm not really sure about this. These are the stocks that I am not sure if ma-recommend ko or hindi. So, I don't want to recommend that. Okay, so I'll go to the comments again. So, tapos na ako sa recommendations ko. I stopped with, was it John Vincent Pleto? Yeah, so LR, sir, MA20 bounce. Uy, hindi ko nakita sa LR today. Oliver de Guzman. LR, ayun. Hindi ko na-recommend si LR kasi I am uncertain with the move right now, but it's not really touching the upper band. So, no momentum not that much momentum for LR. But it already broke MA20. So, I'd say pag nag-breakout yan, that's the best right now is a breakout or a good pullback. I can't say this is a pullback already kasi. So, and also there's a resistance right here, so not worth the risk. At least man lang kung breakout, we're doing a breakout from the bottom part. I'd say yes, a breakout is a good strategy for this, for LR. Okay, so pag nag-breakout na lang. Barber Trades, sir, morning, kahabol before mag-sleep. Salamat, musta po kay Ma'am Apple. Thank you, Barber Trades. Doing well. Lan Feliciano, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Hi sa anak kong si Eman. Good morning, Eman. Shell and PCOR. Tataas na ba sila? Yan yung binasa natin kanina. SM Idol, what do you think? Si SM has been showing us very good signals. Nag 52-week high recently si SM, di ba? So, pullback MA20. I saw this. If you want to follow the trend, this is good. Yun nga lang, hindi ko nare-recommend si SMY. You know my system. I focus on stocks na nasa baba pa. I don't focus on stocks na nakalipad na. Technical analysis-wise, this is good. The trend is your friend. SM, MA20 bounce, that's still good to go. Sa mga gustong humabol kay SM, yes, this is the best time to make habol. Napaka-konyo ko na. This is the best time to make habol kay SM. Yan. So, for SM, yeah, very good. Good find, Good find, sino yung nag-comment nun? Si G. Fernandez, right? This is good. It's just that it's already up there. I recommended SM so many times dito sa baba. And there it is, nakalipad na. That's why I always focus on stocks na nasa baba. Justin Kayabyab, sir, CHIB po. Salamat sa CHIB. Ang ganda ng support yung nagawa recently. So, CHIB, we are seeing divergence kay CHIB already. So, we are seeing possible bottom already and we are seeing volume spike already. I think pwede na itong bodegahin. I recommended CHIB dito sa green na ito nga bodegahin ninyo. I'd still recommend it. Bodegahin nyo po. I think na nagbo-bottom out na si CHIB. Okay? CHIB is a buy for me. Juvie, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Sa seminar nyo po ba, kasama pa ba ang pagbasa ng MA and RSI? And yung mga charting na ginagawa mo personally, hindi ko na isasali yon because I have videos about it already. Once you register kasi, and then you complete the registration, send us the payment, I'm gonna give you a few videos. A few videos you have to check out. Kasama na dyan ang video ko with RSI, video ko with moving average, andun na yon. And all the basics you need to know to prepare for the seminar. I don't want to talk about technical analysis that much during the seminar. I will talk about it, pero ano lang, parang brief lang because it's gonna take majority of our time and it's gonna be boring if we just talk about technical analysis. Ang pinaka-exciting kasi sa trading is the execution, yung paano mo bumili, paano mo lumabas, how the trading strategies, cut losses. Yun po yung pag-uusapan natin majority. Technical analysis, I have a video about them. Pag nag-register po kayo, I'm gonna give you a list of the videos you need to watch para diretso-diretso na po yung seminar natin. Okay? Mila Musa, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Insights po sa TBGI. Those videos are for free, by the way, TBGI. Okay, post ko lang dito. These are the videos you need to watch to prepare for the seminar. Ayaw pumasok, sobrang dami. Sige, basta pag nag-register kayo, bibigyan ko naman kayo niyan. Right, Mila Musa, good morning Sir Lloyd, TBGI. And si TBGI po, uy, MA20 na pala naglalaro si TBGI ngayon. The climb was really just because of the hype. Right? Nag-hype kasi yung telcos recently. So I cannot consider this as a valid climb. But price action is always the winner. MA20 nagbe-break. So this is a bad signal for TBGI. I cannot recommend it. Let's see if it will recover above MA20 before I wanna consider it. But right now, ayoko. Sir, good morning po. Insights po kay TBGI. CHP and DD po. Si DD, bodagahin nyo lang po si DD. Hindi natin alam kung bottom na ito. But I've already been recommending DD. This is a reversal signal for DD that we are seeing. But it can still go down. The best to do with DD is just buy here and then just buy more if ever bumagsak si DD. This is a good company. These are the good companies you have to accumulate. Best strategies here is to accumulate them. CHP. Alright, so CHP naman, yeah, there's a stabilization for CHP. Kaso nga lang, we have a downtrend right here. So I cannot really recommend CHP, but there's support here. This is a bearish pattern, mind you. Right? That's why I'm not recommending CHP because this is a bearish pattern right here. This is called a descending triangle, pababa na triangle. Meaning, though there is support right here, there are people who are trying to buy at the support, but the selling is happening here. The buying does not sustain at this downtrend right here. So this is bearish. Right? A signal na magre-reversal yan will be a breakout from that bearish descending triangle. So I cannot recommend it yet. Oliver de Guzman, Sir, Amazon. US stocks are gonna be looking good for today. Let's check out Amazon. Bumili tayo ng Amazon eh. I have Amazon in my port right now. So, pullback and bounce pala kay Amazon. So this is good for Amazon. I'll go to my real port. So, may Amazon tayo, still gaining 0.94. Umakyat yan noon when we entered it. I entered it here. Did the breakout, pull back and bounce. So, this is a good signal for Amazon. So, we have a higher low already. So, I think our Amazon position is gonna do well. For those na hindi pa nakabili, this is a higher low for Amazon. Pwede yung pasukin. You can trade on your own. I strongly recommend you trade on your own in eToro if ever marunong naman kayo mag-trade. Right? The best, really. Not just trading, but also investing. I invested in Amazon because this is a major dip for the stock, and that's why I entered it here, si Amazon. Okay? Michelle PPG Lodi, paano po gamitin ang EMA? I don't use EMA, but I know how to use it. I just don't use it on my trades kasi medyo magulo eh. Right? Ang gulo na ng ko. Ang dami kong moving averages and it tends to break from my I tend to keep my trading simple kasi. That's why I don't use EMA. But it's still possible. One of these days, gagawa po ako ng video about EMA. Okay? Not just here kasi maubos yung oras natin. Jennifer Gayda, good morning, Sir Lloyd. May PM po sa inyo sa Orgen to Bola. Kindly check your inbox po. Important matter. Thank you. Right. Sige. Tingnan ko po. Ngayon after this program. Kasi medyo mabusy ako ngayon. I'm still gonna be monitoring the seminar today. So I'll do my best I can to answer it. Okay? Von Adam Martinez BPI. Si BPI, antayin lang natin ang pullback ni BPI before we wanna get in. Kasi may resistance na tayo dyan. ISM, JFC, bodegahin nyo lang po yan. JFC and M-Wide, sir. Good day to all. M-wide, we covered M-wide already kanina, but then again, yeah, breakout strategy for M-wide is okay. Pwede nyo po gamitan ng, what do you call this? Pwede, salamat, share lang ang 10 euro. Thank you, Barber Trade, sa balato mo. Laki ng kinita ni Barber Trade sa mga trades niya eh. Nagbalato ka agad. Thank you so much for that, Barber Trades. Mark Villaverde, GFC and M-wide. Sir, good day to all. GFC and M-wide. Na-cover na natin yan. Good morning, sir. Ferro at APC. Si Ferro, big climb yesterday for Ferronox. Okay? Position trading wise, we don't have position here. There is momentum, so we'll wait for it to do a pullback and bounce before we can consider getting in. There is momentum in this, so pwede pa itong umakyat today. If you know how to momentum trade, if you know how to day trade, pwede mo itong panoorin today. But I do not recommend this for position traders. Pullback and bounce po tayo. Have the patience to do that. And APC naman, APC, time check, it's 9:03. Again guys, mamaya 11 in the morning, mas maganda if makasali kayo sa live para maka-ask po kayo ng mga questions with Mr. Jed Villardo for the day trading strategies. Prepare your eToro accounts po. Gawa po kayo ng eToro accounts para makarelate kayo sa day trading. APC, MA20. Just enter at the MA20. Hopefully it holds, and then most probably it will continue the uptrend. The stock right now is in a strong uptrend. Ang ganda ng volume lately. Edward Vince, Sir Lloyd, good morning. Insights kay ACN, MMM sa eToro, RHI and MER. Unahin natin si PSE, RHI. Ito, tinitingnan ko pero nagsa-sideways RHI. Medyo bearish yung pinapakita niya. So, I cannot recommend RHI. Though, maliit naman yung inflation natin. So, that should help RHI. But right now, wala pong trending kay RHI. So, I cannot say if ever. Nagko-consolidate siya ng mahaba eh. But if you wanna test out RHI, get in near that support if you wanna get in there. Si MER naman is in my recommendations for today. That's a buy for me already. So, sa international markets, ACN, Accenture. Ganda ng company nito eh. Even sa Philippines, makikita nyo man gaano kalakas si Accenture. But this strong pullback, may bounce tayo. Naputol niya yung trend niya. So, I want to see stabilization with ACN first before we can try to enter it. I can't say right now. Kasi medyo nag-break niya yung uptrend niya. So, baka mag-sideways. Can't know for sure right now kay ACN. I can't recommend that. Si, MMM. Si 3M ito. Ganda ng code 3M. So, MMM. Okay. So, Bollinger Bands. And volume. Okay, so MMM, yun, magpo-pullback na siya. Abangan natin yung pullback. And then next bounce na MMM, definitely a buy. Right? That's gonna be an uptrend if it does a pullback and bounces. June Mainit, thank you again. Yoni Pioka, good morning, sir. MCD and Starbucks, please. MCD, is that McDo? Yeah, McDonald's Corporation. Meron siyang support. Though, baka mag-downtrend pa ito. Lakas eh. It's been touching the lower Bollinger Bands. We don't have any reversal signals. Unlike this one, meron tayong engulfing pattern and then gumawa ng support. That's a good entry point. But right now, too volatile on the downside, so I cannot recommend McDo for now. SBX naman, si Starbucks. Starbucks Corporation, one of the best companies out there. Mukhang magda-downturn ba si Starbucks after a very strong rally. Abangan natin ito. Too volatile on the downtrend. Abangan ko ito si Starbucks. Very good company. Lakas ng earnings niyan. Walang tigil yan si Starbucks. This is just gonna be a short downtrend for Starbucks since it is doing very well as a company. So, anytime soon, magstabilize yan. Pag nag-stabilize yan, pasukin natin yan. Sabay-sabay tayong pumasok dyan. Aldrin Barte, good morning, sir. Insights regarding ECP, PXP Ion. ECP, lakas ng akit nito kahapon. I cannot recommend it anymore. Look at that, MA20 bounce. This is the best entry points. I did talk about ECP here use the MA20 as your entry point for ECP, di ba? There it is, and umakyat na. No, right now, I cannot recommend it anymore. Masyadong mataas na. Very high risk. Same with PXP. And then kay Ion naman, si Ionix, we have a resistance right here. Pag nag-breakout lang yan. Recommended Ion here, and then there it is, umakyat na. Congratulations sa mga pumasok noon. Mr. M, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Your analysis of FNI, salamat. Si FNI, challenging eh. Very challenging. We have a support for FNI right here. This is the previous support. So best if ever we can catch a bounce right there. That's the best entry point for FNI. So far, bullish pa rin naman siya for me. It's just that sobrang lakas lang na akyat niya that whenever there's exaggerated move, usually it's a correction or consolidation. So right now, nagko-correct pa siya. We have a possible support here for FNI. So that's the best entry point should you want to enter FNI. How to join the webinar? Lodi, kailan po yun? Just go to the Billionaires Club. If you're already a member of the Billionaires Club, you will see a notification na meron na tayong live. So just go to the Billionaires Club right here. Right, so Billionaires Club, may magla-live dyan mamaya. So abangan nyo lang po at 11 o'clock. Okay? Pag 11 na, may magla-live dyan. Yun na yung seminar. Because I won't be joining the seminar. I'm just gonna be monitoring it. Jed is gonna be doing the live at his house. Right? Sa bahay niyo po siya magla-live. Libre lang po yan. So, hopefully you have your accounts already. Create an eToro account already para makapag-prepare po kayo for the seminar. It's gonna be free. Georgina, good morning, Sir Coach. Paano po mag-purchase ng IPO stock gamit ang call another broker? Thank you. They are gonna email you. Mag-email po yan sila sa inyo. Check out your email for the IPO email and then just send a reply kung magkano yung bibilhin mo. And make sure you have money in your account. Jerson Kebyab, Sir MRSGI po, maraming salamat. MRSGI. Attend po kayo ng seminar ni Coach Lloyd para manalo po kayo sa katulad ng ginagawa ko. This is from Barber Trades. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, the seminar for day trading. These are newbies. Mind you, Barber Trades is one of the newbies in trading, right? He joins the discussions in our day trading seminars a lot. That's why he's already earning after practicing, right? So I really recommend you join. Yan po yung isa sa testimonials, Barber Trades. Yan po yung mga ginagawa niya. He's just executing what the day traders are teaching. Hindi lang po ako nagda-day trade because I'm very busy. I'm focusing more now into really coaching and inspiring people to invest and for financial literacy. So doon po ako napupunta. And we have so many traders who are willing to help everyone. So I'm very happy. I can go on a higher purpose, not just into trading, diba? Because there are already coaches right here. I really want the coaches, wag po kayo abusuhin as much as possible libre. So that's why we're able to do this for you guys. MRSGI, ganda na price action MRSGI. Though we have our resistance right here, breakout will be the best entry for MRSGI. I think it's gonna do breakout. I recommended MRSGI here. I think it's gonna break out. If it breaks out, then just enter MRSGI. Sean Forsey, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, then. Sir Web and Tugs po. Web is in my recommendations for today. Si Tugs, tignan natin kung may entry na tayo kay Tugs. Itong support na ito, pwede na ito kay Tugs, but best is if it does a breakout from that flag pattern for Tugs. Yan. Sunod is VLL and STR from Stevens Castillo. Sir, VLL and STR. Si VLL, isa to sa mga big winners na recommend ko dito. Recommended it there. It's very high. The reason why I'm not recommending VLL anymore is I really don't focus on stocks na nakalipad na. Doon tayo mag-focus sa stocks na nasa baba pa. If gusto nyo po matuto mag-position trade, this is the best strategy I'm teaching you. Focus on the stocks that are at the bottom. Okay? VLL, we have a resistance for VLL. So this is challenging. Kung mag-breakout man yan, we have another strong resistance. This is the reason why I don't want to recommend VLL anymore. Laki ng chances na matalo tayo dyan. So we're dealing with probabilities, and as much as possible, we don't play with low probability positions. Ang daming napaka-low probability ng VLL kasi ang daming resistance na sasalubungin nyo. Most probably, you're gonna lose there. Could be wrong, but yeah. SDR, ito isa sa maganda. SDR has good plans. Nasa baba ngayon si SDR. I'm just waiting for SDR to break this downtrend, and I'm gonna be recommending SDR soon. Okay? Sa mga aggressive players, SDR is doing well. Negative 1% na yung second quarters niya, but overall it's doing well. Yeah, test the support of SDR sa mga aggressive ones. Jay San Jose, kumusta po si Picor? Buy na po ba si Picor? Technical analysis wise, yes, ang ganda ng pinapakita niya. Gianna Moyano, hi sir, bago lang ako. Trading, di ko mabantayan before yung IRC ko. Nabili ko 188, tapos 149 na ngayon. Laki ng loss. What do you think? Let go ko na or wait lang? Pataas na si IRC. I don't want to recommend selling it. If ipit po kayo, I have a recommendation video for you. Check out in your YouTube, search po ng Lloyd Bazar, my name, and then average down. So, once you search for that, etong video na ito, how to average down without adding money in stocks. Watch that video. This is gonna be helping you so much on how to average down. Okay? Daig pa ako ni trade ko to, ang daming views niya sa maipit siya sa shares niya. But yeah, how to average down without adding money in stocks. That's my strategy, and that's been working for my students. I'm sharing it to you, and that's the best video I can recommend for you. Ang dami pang comments. Dami natin ngayon. Good morning from Lou, Rob Legaspi, Sir Lloyd. Sir Lloyd pa ang comment. Sir Lloyd po yan, hindi Lloyd. Good morning. Unpopular stock naman po. SSP, si SSP. Ang problema ko sa unpopular stocks is hindi ko rin sinusubaybayan yung mga fundamentals nila. So I really can't recommend these stocks because of fundamentals wise, but this stock is on an uptrend, higher high and higher low for this one. So yeah, just follow this trend line. Pag nag-green yan, most probably is a good buy for SSP. Good find. This is from sino nga ba yun? This was from Rob Legaspi. Mark Hill Vlog. Sir, ano meaning nung gold sa eToro? Yung bronze? Anong gold? Ito. Gold user. Meaning, matagal-tagal ka ng user sa eToro and malaki-laki na yung funds mo. Okay? Ido Almo. Sir, good day. I have share of cannabis. I just start. Alright, that's very good from Ido Almo. Rodrigo Calas, Sir Lloyd, patingin ng opening price ni ISM. Let's check out ISM's opening price. Saan nga ba yun ulit? Sa stock, then projected price. Okay, projected price. Ang winners ngayon si Tech, Vita, Now, PXP. Hindi naman gaanong si ISM. But yeah, 0.55. That's still good. Right, so at least makakapasok pa kayo if gusto niyo pong pumasok. Si Tech ngayon, I just recommended Tech today, and there it is. Ang laki nang naakyat kaagad, sayang. Right, Vita, Now, PXP, Web. Yun, si Web, isa sa mga recommendations ko for today. Malaki yung climb kaagad. Alco, ABA, XAEV, DMC, GSMI, isa sa recommendation ko is gonna start green today. So yeah, yun yung isa sa mga paborito ko, diba? Si GSMI. So it's a good start for our picks. May buntag, Vidgore, Noel Menano, sa eToro po, pwede po babalikan ang pag-setup ng TP cut loss sa mga traders na hindi nag-setup first time? Yes, you can always edit your position. For example, ito si Microsoft. I can click on my Microsoft position and then click on this one right here and then customize. Not customize. Settings, itong settings na ito. And then take profits and stop loss. You can always edit the stop loss again. So again, click on the stock. Itong katabi ng X na gear sign, you can edit your stop loss and take profits anytime. Okay? And even your leverage. Pwede po yan. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ang leverage. Yeah, hindi pwede ang leverage. But the stop loss you can. Okay? Leverage kasi pag enter mo yan eh. Insights po kay sa lagay ni Tel, Ali. Si Tel, maganda naman technical analysis ni Tel eh. Right? I recommended even Tel on this pullback and bounce, diba? And umakit na si Tel. And a breakout. So this is good for Tel. Right? Right now, medyo mataas na si Tel. I don't want to recommend that anymore. Let's wait for the next pullback and bounce. Remember, I recommended Tel here. That was the best entry point. Ali, breakout for Ali. Isa and Andres, good morning CHP and APC po. God bless. We covered these already. Astro Boy Martin, Sir Lloyd, AP and Bloom please. Si AP kahapon. Was that yesterday when I recommended it? Well, that was this MA20 bound. So, I think that was yesterday. Yes, if you wanna view. Yan, umakyat na siya. Cannot recommend it anymore. Masyadong mataas na po. Nakalipad na po siya. So, dapat kahapon natin pinasok. Bloom naman. Si Bloom, tinitignan ko to si Bloom. Sana mag-pull back si Bloom so that we can get a buy entry for Bloom. Right now, I cannot say it's a buy. How do you pay, sir, for the seminar? Andun po, once you register, all the instructions are gonna be there. I'll show you the instructions. Let's open the link. Ito yung makikita nyo. When you register, let's try to test. And then sa next po, andyan po yung instructions. Saan nyo po ipapadala ang pera. And there it is. Then you choose morning session and then put in your details. So, andyan po lahat sa registration. So, just go to the registration details. Alan Tiga, sir, July 29 po nakalagay sa date ng seminar instead of September 29. It should be September 29. Ay, okay. I'll just edit that today. Thank you so much for pointing that out. It should be September 29. I'll edit it today. Thank you so much, Alan. JB Donato, active kayo sa eToro, mentor? I am actively trading. I'm not that aggressive, especially right now. But yes, I am trading in eToro. Biscuit Z, sir, malaman ko ba kung nakalink yung ginawa kong eToro sa provided link nyo? Hindi nyo po malalaman yan but send me a message. I can check. I can resend a request para ma-check natin for you. Ma-check ko po yan if ever link sa akin. George Dosado, sir, MBT BDO, thank you. MBT, si MBT, buy as long as the support holds. One of my stocks na laging naabangan ko si MBT. So right now, it is playing at the bottom area for MBT. I'd say just buy it and then just buy more if it goes further down. Si BDO naman, medyo nasa taas kasi si BDO kaya hindi ko nare-recommend. Mukhang pababa si BDO. So I can't say. Oliver de Guzman, okay sir, thanks, you're welcome. Rafi, Hype, sir, insights po kay FNI, KPPI, check na natin si FNI. Si KPPI naman, I cannot recommend KPPI kasi itong climb niya na ito is because of the rumor na nung magiging siya. But they rejected the rumor, so I don't see any reason why it should continue the growth. Sir, sa copy portfolio ng eToro, PL is actual gains na siya. Yes, that's the profit loss. Meron yung percentage and then meron din yung presyo. So that's already the actual gains kasi yung buy and sell po ninyo, naka-factor in na po yan sa spread, yung sa charges. So anong makikita ninyo sa PL ninyo, yun na po yung gains nyo. Malinis na po yun. Except if ever nag leverage or nag short sell kasi may charges po yan, overnight fees. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check si Alco. Alco, na-recommend ko sa MA20. Hindi, na-recommend ko siya na bodegahin dito. Somehow, so far so good. Pwede pang bodegahin si Alco. Maganda na yung price action na pinapakita niya. It's still a buy for me. Si Alco. LV Aquino, good morning, Sir Lloyd. DMC is medyo nakalipad na si DMC. Be recommending DMC for how many days? Yeah, pwede pa. Maliit pa rin yung risk niya overall. Still a buy for me. MRC, ang bagal ni MRC. So, MRC, if you can buy at this support, this is the best entry point. Overall, MRC is still cheap. So, yeah, I'd still say pwede pa rin bilhin si MRC. Alfie James, Agia, Maing Buntag. Sir Lloyd, do you have a scheduled seminar here in Cebu? Thanks, more power. As of the moment, wala pa. We had one. I forgot when. That was this year. So, we'll plan another one anytime soon. Isabel Galacio, good morning, sir. Good morning din. Oliver de Guzman, sir, aakyat pa ba si AAPL? Naglabas sila ng product yan. Ganda ng feedback ng product ni APL. So, most probably, it's gonna go up. The problem is, Apple is one of the, naglumipad kahapon kasi what do you call this? Dahil sa product nila. So, congratulations sa mga sumulo kay Apple. Kaso nga lang, ayokong pasukin si Apple because the trade war is gonna make it volatile. So, baka may baka may problema na naman. Vidgoroy, pwede na sa foreign stocks sa Instagram. Yes, pwede, but it's just for charting purpose. Tsaka hindi po siya live. May delay po yan. Melanie Jaring, sir, anong position niyo po kay AMD? Thanks. AMD is still at the support. May na-hold ko pa rin si AMD. we're still playing at the support level for AMD. So, it's still okay. Malaki lang ang negative ko kay AMD kasi naka-leverage ito. Kaya ang laki. Kahit nasa support pa siya, ang laki ng negative kaagad because I have this leverage. But I'm still holding it kasi nasa support pa naman. Vince Barroso, good morning sir. Pang-check ko lang po. Tech and Now, thanks. Tech is in my recommendations for today. Now, si Now naman, mukhang akit naman ngayon si Now. Right, it's 9:22. Bilisan ko lang po ito. Yun nga lang, too high of a risk for me si Now ngayon. Okay, anong insights nyo kay X? Wait lang ng pullback and bounce. Ipit ako sa FNI, na-hype kasi ako. Sabi, tataas price kasi ba nickel sa Indonesia. Tataas po ang price niya, but again, it takes time for stocks to move up. Right? Tumaas naman talaga siya. But it's just that if it goes so high, expect a pullback or correction. So, yeah. FNI, yun na lang, gamitin niyo po yung sinabi ko sa inyo, how to recover without adding funds. Swiss Miss, how about IDC po? IDC, doing well si IDC sa support niya. Let's see if it will give us good price action. Pullback and bounce is best for IDC, or if balik siya sa support, that will be the best time to buy IDC. Ron sir, RRD, FTR, pasilip naman. So, RRD, ganda ng time ni RRD. Pullback bounce. Definitely. Still a pullback and bounce. Antayin natin ng pullback and bounce. Ang ganda ng reversal nito. Ang ganda ng divergence. How did I miss this? Right? So, ganda sana nito. Alright, this is not in my watch list kasi that's why I missed this. Ang daming stocks international. But good find. Pullback and bounce for RRD, okay? FTR, pasilip naman. FTR. Same with FTR. Wait for the pullback and bounce. This is gaining momentum already. Very good find for FTR. Okay, this is good. Sir Lloyd, may trailing stop ba ang eToro? Yes, meron silang trailing stops. You can always edit. When you buy something, you can put trailing stops. I'm gonna make a video about trailing stops anytime soon. Dan Ilaganay, sir. Good morning, Aba po. Si Aba, medyo nasa resistance si Aba eh. So, breakout kay Aba. Pag nag-breakout yan, you can test it out. IRC is a buy. Meg is also a buy. JFC, bodega pa rin from Papi Parts. John Vincent Bleto, sir, ang trailing stop loss buy, same stop loss na eToro. Hindi yan. I'll ask eToro ano yung parameters lang ginagamit nila sa trailing stops. Ang ginagawa kasi ng trailing stops is if na sumusunod lang yung support niya. If ever it stops the trend, saka naman siya lalabas. So, that's for the trailing stop. Zenaida Karunungan, good morning. TP na po ba sa MPI? MPI, sa mga nakapasok dito sa baba, when we recommended it, yeah, pwede nyo na po i-TP yan. Sa mga pumasok din sa MA20, it's already at the buy level. I don't recommend selling it there. So, buy na yan. Okay, buy na yan for me. Last lang po. Zenaida Elizabeth Sanchez, good morning sir Lloyd. What stocks are good for dividends? GMA7, pinakamaganda po mag-dividends si GMA7. Si Semirara din. Those two, I can recommend them if ever naghahanap po kayo ng dividend stocks. Especially Semirara right now is very low and GMA7 is very cheap. So I recommend those two. Okay, so yun lang muna. Pasensya na if we don't have enough time. Reminders po, mamaya 11 o'clock, day trading seminar. We are gonna show you how to do it while trading, ha? So, I'll see you guys later. Magjo-join din ako sa live at 11 in the morning. 11 in the morning is gonna be the live. See you. And then, September 29 po, for the seminar in Manila, mag-register na po kayo. Magpa-promotion, si eToro. So, sobrang sulit po niyan. I'll see you tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.